Different ecosystem. Different ecosystem. Till now, we have studied about ecosystem, biotic and abiotic factors, food chain and food web. Food chain shows how organisms depend on each other, whereas food web is the group of chain together making a food web. Based on the given picture, try to answer the questions. Question: who are producers in this food web? Answer: plants are the producers in this food web as they produce their own food. Number 2. Which are consumers? Answer: in this image, the consumers you can give example like bees, grasshoppers, frog, etc. Number 3. Where does the food chain start from? Answer: the food chain starts from the sun. Number 4. Where does the food web end? Answer: the food web in this image ends to the top carnivore like lion and hawk. Number 5. What happens when plants die in food web? If plants or animals die, decomposer decays and they feed on dead bodies of plants and animals. Again, they will return the nutrients back to the soil. Changes in the ecosystem. All of Earth's ecosystems have been significantly transformed through human actions. In the second half of the 20th century, ecosystems changed more rapidly than at any other time in recorded human history. Some of the most significant changes have been the conversion of forests and grasslands into cropland, the diversion and storage of fresh water behind dams, and the loss of mangrove and coral reef areas. The organisms which are present in the nature in order to meet their basic requirement affects environment. But these changes are very small. They again bring back the balance in the ecosystem. Sometimes these animals also eat other types of organisms. For example, if any animal eats any plant or plant eater, the number of plants or plant eater will be reduced. At the beginning, the birds will get food. But after some time, as the insect population will reduce, there will be no food left for the birds. They will be starving from hunger. In this case, the birds will either die or they will move to some other place or area. In the meantime, the younger birds will be born. In this way, ecosystem will be balanced. Now let us see two types of changes of ecosystem. Number 1, natural disaster. Number 2, man-made disaster. Natural disasters like tsunami, earthquakes, forest fires, and other storms bring drastic changes in the ecosystem very quickly. Human beings are one of the major cause for changes in ecosystem. So the ecosystem gets disturbed because of natural disasters and human beings.